Today I wanted to share with you a smart home product for under $60 that can save you tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage to your home. I discovered this last year. A little bit of backstory on that is we had our washing machine back up. So apparently every time you wash your clothes, it goes down the spout. You do that enough times with two boys, it's bound to back up. Well, no one checks behind the washing machine every time they wash their clothes. So that's where this product comes in. It's called the Goovelife water sensor. This is how big it looks right here. And what you do is you set this in key areas around your home where there might be a water intrusion and you never look. So areas that we place it around our home are gonna be underneath the garbage disposal, by the ice machine, underneath our tankless water heater. Areas that you really never look can have issues where water intrusion could potentially over time cause you tens of thousands of dollars worth of damage. Let me show you kind of how it works. I have a couple of screenshots I wanted to show you. First one is literally you just plug the hub into an outlet and that talks to all these other satellite little boxes that you put around your house, and you can tuck them underneath cabinets, and then it's gonna send you a text alert and an email anytime water touches these little prongs that are on the very bottom of it. And it's hypersensitive. I mean, it can be one drop of water and you get a signal so that you don't open up your cabinet and see months and months worth of water dripping in your cabinet, ruining your entire cabinetry, ruining your floor, warping your floors, and so on and so forth. So again, it's Goovelife. I don't own this company. Just wanted to share with all my friends, family, clients, and followers. Hopefully it saves you guys headache down the road. Thanks again for watching. Have a fantastic day and a fantastic week. Appreciate all the likes, follows, and subscribes. You guys have an awesome day. Thanks again.